Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So this will be about should you wait or move on. So one of the viewers request it is should you wait or move on. So you are waiting for a person. So it might be your lover, crush, husband, ex, anybody it can be. So you are waiting for a person and you are asking how long to wait. Should I wait or I should move on to another person? So this is what is your question now. So let us see, we have two piles here. One is this beautiful bag where you can store, then another one is this beautiful decorative item. Here also you can store some small items. So basically these two piles are for storage, precious things you can store in them. Why I chose these two is like you have many memories with this person. Okay, so you want to know whether you want to wait or you want to move on. This will be today's reading. Then if you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and my channel. I'm growing along with my channel, and you guys are motivating me to do more and more readings for you. If you want any different kind of readings, please post in the comment section. Definitely I will do it for you. Then if you like this readings or not, if it is resonated, please post. That will be a great help for me so that I can know whether I'm doing in a right way or not. And I love to read all your comments. So without wasting any more time, let's start the reading. And I would like to request you all to press the bell symbol so that you know more notifications regarding my new updates and new videos. Okay, then let's start. So this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So whichever you are intuitively connected with, you can choose. And if you need more time, you can pause the video and you can meditate on the pile and you can choose. While I'm shuffling, you all have to remember your person or think about your person so that your energies can flow. Okay, friends? So let's start. Whoever chose this pile number 1, this beautiful bag, goodie bag. So this reading is for you. Let's start the reading. So we will pull some cards from this Nostradamus Lost Tarot deck. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Should they wait or move on? Whoever chose this first pile, should they wait or move on? Archangel Michael, please help us, please give us some guidance. The completed world, initiate. The Chariot, bottom of the deck it is Judgment. You all can say Judgment. Okay, let me move these cards this side. Okay, so I can see here, friends, that you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius very strong here. Then you might be dealing with also Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So I can see fixed signs here because there are 3 major arcanas here. So I can see Aquarius, then Leo and Scorpio. Okay, then one more sign, Taurus. Yes, Taurus, Aquarius, then Leo and Scorpio. These are all the fixed signs you might be dealing with, or the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So these are all the signs I can see here. You or your person might be here. So the main energy here is Judgment. So Judgment means you are waiting for a long time and universe want to give you the judgment. Now it can be both positive and negative. Judgment means for some people it will be reconciliation. Maximum judgment means it is reconciliation. So you are not taking any action, your person is not taking any action. So universe want to take some action. So that might be reconciliation, and for some people it might be like judgment, ending it, okay, ending this connection. So for some people it will be reconciliation, and for some people it will be universe will end this, okay, by any chance or by any means, universe will end this, okay. So then the completed world. So this means you have completed a cycle with this person. Even my words are I'm stumbling, like there is some anxious energy. So you are completing one cycle with this person. This cycle maybe you are completely ending the relationship, or it might be like you are ending a cycle of no communication, or because right now you don't have any communication, you don't have any equal give and take of love. Only it shows like one sided, you are giving and giving and giving, but the other person is not giving you back. Okay, so this is what I can see, the completed world. And with the completed world I can also see that this person is long distance from you, and this person sees you as their world, okay. And they have to travel and come towards you, or this person want to take you on a travel, on a trip, or they want to take you with them, okay. These are all the meanings of this card. So take it how it resonates, friends, because each card says many messages. From this pile, for this spread, I can feel that this person is missing you, and they want to travel and come towards you. They want to have a reconciliation, okay, because the next card is initiate. Otherwise I would have given a negative comment, but still since the next card is initiate, so definitely this person will contact you. And initiate is also also means that, one second friends. Okay, so initiate card also means that this person will travel and come towards you. They want to propose you. They will initiate some communication. They will initiate some engagement, marriage. So this person want to initiate something with you. They want to come towards you, and they want to have a initiation. They will initiate for a date, or they will initiate for a they want to talk to your parents. So initiating means something solid. They want to do something with you solid. So it might be a proposal. Okay, they will be coming towards you. I can see here the number 20, 21, and 12, 7. These numbers might be prominent for you. These numbers might be your birthday or this person's birthday. Take it how it resonates, okay. Then next card is the Chariot. The Chariot means you both are right now working on yourself. You are concentrating on yourself, and that person is concentrating on themselves, okay. So you are getting ready for the reunion, or getting ready for this reconciliation, okay. So this Chariot also is a movement card. It's a fastest moving card in the deck. So they are coming towards you, traveling. They will travel and come towards you. And also this is card of movement. So movement in this connection or a relationship. Till now it is stagnant. So you were waiting for a long time. There is no contact, communication, or nothing moving. It is stuck. It is kind of a hanged man. But with this Chariot, things will be moving very fast, rapid than you're expecting. Okay, so rapid movement will happen in this connection. Definitely these two cards indicate that this person will come towards you traveling. So that means this person is far away from you. Maybe different city, state. City is definitely it is different city. So different city, state. Some people it is different country. Long distance relationship. Okay. Sorry friends. Take it how it resonates. Okay. Let's pull some more cards with this Universal Tarot deck or Rider-Waite Tarot deck. Okay. So let's pull some cards with this, so that we can know more details about this. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel. Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Please give us some guidance. Because this first spread says that you have to wait, because this person is coming, traveling towards you and coming. So first spread is very positive. Let's see the second spread. Should they wait or move on? Spirits, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel. Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay. Engagement card, victory card. Again, judgment. Friends, I feel that you have to wait. You no need to move on. Oh my God, what can I say? Whoever chose this pile number 1, lucky people, lucky, okay? You're very lucky. You can see that 2 of Pentacles. In the second spread, I can see, let me move these cards, friends. Okay, hope you can see. So in this spread, I can see that Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Here I cannot see any air signs. Okay, apart from that, everything is every other sign is there. Okay, right now this person is juggling with 2 people, 2 things. Okay, so this person may be juggling with a job and you. Maybe he is not having any job, he or she is not having job, or they are not stable financially. So juggling with the 2 people, your connection and the other person or other job or something like that. This person is not stable actually. One foot is up and one foot is on the floor, ground. Okay, so this person feels that you are a soulmate, because we can see the infinity symbol. So that shows that this person sees you as their soulmate. Then 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands is a victory card. They want victory in this connection. They want to offer you engagement or marriage. They want to celebrate this connection. They want to celebrate. They want to make it public. Okay, maybe till now this is hidden from the world. Okay, now this person want to make it as public. They want to announce this marriage. Okay, or anything like any marriage or engagement. They want to announce it. So Judgment again this is a reconciliation card, as I told you already. So reconciliation is in between the engagement and the 2 of Cups. Okay, so 2 of Cups, as you already know the meaning, that you both are soulmates and you both love each other. You both want to share equally your cups of love, and you both feel like you both are made for each other, soulmates, or you might be partners also. You might be partners in some business or something like that. Sorry for the noise, friends. There are people at my home. Sorry for the background noise. They are talking. This is what I can see here. Strongly, you both are soulmates, and this person is having a lot of love for you. They want to offer you. In this card, you can see this person is offering love to you. So definitely, you have to wait, friends. Don't take any hasty decision. This person is having good intentions about you. They have a lot of love. They have true intentions to get married towards you. So don't get mistaken, or don't misunderstand the other person. Maybe they are stuck because of the financial problems or any family problems or anything like that, but definitely this person will travel and come towards you. Let's ask angels. Finally we will ask angels and spirit guides. Please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity, please give us one card. Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Please give us one card. Should they wait or move on? Whoever chose the pile number 1, should they wait or move on? Please give us one card. Guidance, okay, or advice. Okay, the Hermit. Okay, strongly I feel that this person is Virgo. So there is no movement here. There is stopped or stuck, and you guys are meditating and looking at yourself. Okay, inner self. You are searching for the soul. Okay, soul connection. So you are right now in a meditative state and you are not talking to anybody, and even universe is saying the same thing. Find yourself first, love yourself first, then you can love others automatically. Why these problems are coming in between you? Why this misunderstanding? Why these fights coming in between you? Because you don't love yourself, you don't know yourself. You have to know about yourself. What do you want? What are your feelings? So when you are fighting with the other person, you have some insecurity inside you. So spirit is asking, universe is asking, first let go of that insecurity. Make yourself very strong and love yourself first. Then slowly you can love other person also. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 1. It's a very, very beautiful reading I can see for pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. That's all I have for you. Until next reading, bye. Whoever chose this beautiful box, beautiful storage box, this reading is for you. Okay, so let's start with Lost Tarot deck. Let's start with Lost Tarot deck. We will see, should you wait or move on? Please give us some guidance, Spirit, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel. Please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Should they wait or move on? Please, Spirit, please give us some guidance and clarity. Should they wait or move on? Whoever chose this beautiful boss pile number 2, should they wait or move on? 3 of stars, suns, sorry, 3 of suns, then 10 of spheres, and 8 of moons. Okay, the prophetess, sorry, it is prophetess, not 8. Okay, bottom of the deck we have 4 of moons. Okay, so hope you all can see the cards. Yeah, I can see here that you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces very strongly, and you might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, some of you, and you also might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So these are all the energies I can see here. So with the 4 of moons, I can see that you are offering your cup of love, but this person is looking at some other cups, or this person is looking at the past, whatever connections he had in the past. So this person is definitely thinking about past, whatever happened, and they are ignoring you. They are not even looking at you. Okay, there is a strong third party situation here for pile number 2. Whoever chose pile number 2, I can see that there is a strong third party situation. 3 of suns, it is also meaning that third party. So you, your person is standing tall. I mean, they are waiting actually. They did not take any decision. They have options here. They have some third party. They don't know whom to choose actually. More options are there for this person. So they are juggling like whom to choose. 3 people are there here, whom to choose. Strong third party situation is there here. So also here we can see the third party might be a wife or a husband, because 10 of spears means it is a marriage or commitment. This person is in a very committed situation. Maybe that they are involved in marriage, and they have combined assets, combined money, combined children. Okay, this is a very strong positive connection with this other person. Okay, maybe they are long-term partners, they are married already, they have children, they have house together. If they want to divorce this person, they have to go through a lot of things, and they have to do settlement, and this will be a huge loss for them. So these are all the involved in this person's life. Okay, they are still thinking whether to choose you or whether to stay back in the same marriage. Okay, now we can see the prophetess here. Let us see. So prophetess means it is a strong Virgo card, and this person is like not telling you something. This person is highly intellectual, intuitive, and mysterious. This person is not telling you anything. They are keeping things hidden. Okay, this is a lady actually. If you are male looking for, then this will be a lady, or if you are female looking, most of my audience are viewers are females only. So I feel that this person is having somebody in their life, so they are hiding that connection from you. Okay, there are a lot of secrets involved in this connection. They are very like kind of an introvert. They don't want to share their feelings with you. They are hiding their feelings, and they don't want to express their feelings towards you, but they want to follow the gut instinct and gut feeling. Maybe they are having some gut instinct that you are their soulmate, or you both are made for each other. Maybe this marriage is a wrong thing that they have done in their life, something like that, because this prophetess meaning, this is what the meaning of prophetess. Okay, so now they want to act according to their gut feeling, gut instinct. Even this person is very, very intuitive. They have some powers, they have some intuition. Might be they are doing some magic also on you because they want to get you. So let's pull one more card, some more cards. because these cards are not clear for me. Because strongly I can see that there is third party situation. If it resonates, please let me know, friends, because I feel there is third party, and that too it is a very committed relationship. Your person is into marriage, they are already married. Please let me know. Okay, so let us pull some cards from this uh, this Rider-Waite deck. Okay, let's pull some more cards. Spirit and angels, should they wait or move on? Should they wait or move on? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Should they wait or move on? 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 One more card, Spirit. One more card, Spirit. Okay, we got all the cards here. I don't want many cards. The Hierophant. Since it came, I can't deny it. Maybe I will take it as a Queen of Wands, or okay. So actually the bottom of the deck is this Nine of Cups. Okay, so you might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I can see strongly here Taurus. Okay, Taurus is very strong here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So what I see is this person feels like you are their wish fulfillment. With the Nine of Cups card, I feel that these are they see you as a wish fulfillment. Also, they see you as a queen. Okay, Queen of Wands. They see you as a Queen of Wands, and they want to be in your power. Sometimes they feel jealous of you, or they see you as very strong personality. You have everything, whatever you want to have it, and this is a lot of passion involved in this connection. I can see a lot of sexual desire, and I can see a lot of passion towards each other. Okay, so this Two of Wands, that means that, as I told you already, this person is juggling with two people. They have so many options, so but still they are holding the wand, your option, in their hand, and they want to come towards you. They are waiting actually for your call or text or anything like that. They are waiting. They want to give you, offer you their world. Okay, they are having a globe in their hands, and they want to offer you something. They want to offer you some stable commitment, because King of Pentacles and Hierophant also, they both represent the commitment. The Hierophant means a very powerful personality. Your person might be very respectable person in the society. I can see some age difference also. This person might be older than you. There is a lot of age gap is there. So here you can see Three of Sons, and here you can see Two of Wands. So that means definitely this person is waiting for you, and this person is in the king energy. They are very rich, abundant. They have everything, whatever they want. They can buy anything. Okay, that much powerful person this person is, and this person is not having any emotions. Okay, so they are very kind of a very practical person, materialistic person. So they will see whether what is the advantage if they marry you, what is the advantage if they stay in the other connection. Okay, because they are why they are making you wait for so long is they are thinking that if they divorce the other person, or they get separated from the other person, then they have to give lot of things. They have to lose their respect in the society. They have to give all the money to the other person. So they are simply waiting, because they don't want to take any hasty decision, and they don't want to be in loss. Because they have too much so much money and wealth, so people take advantage of that. So they are finding that also, but definitely they want to offer you commitment. It might take time, because for this pile I can see that your wish will be fulfilled, friends, but it will take time. You have to wait patiently. Even this pile also, it is saying that you have to wait. You should not move on, because there is a very positive cards here, like Hierophant, then Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups means wish fulfillment. Okay, so there are very, very positive cards. So the Spirit is saying that you have to wait, but it might take a long time. It's up to you whether you can wait that long or not. Let's pull one guidance, a guidance card or advice card for the spirits and angels. Angels and spirits, please give us one advice card. Should they wait or move on? Please sum it up with one card, spirits. Please sum it up with one card. Okay, the Devil. Okay, so that's what spirits also are saying, that this is kind of a devil connection. This person is having some addictions or some dark energies in their life. That is why they are not coming towards you, and they are very much lusty, and they are passionate towards you. They want your body. Okay, they are in love with you, with your body, but they don't have any bad intention. When the devil card comes in the love spread, right, any love related question, this will be a positive sign, because they are like obsessed with you. They want to possess you, they want to have you in their life, they are sexually attracted towards you, they want physical union with you, they want to have sex and physical attraction. All these things we can see in the devil energy. Okay, but the thing is, you have to wait for a long time until this person come to you, but there is lot of attraction and passion is making this person to come towards you, to give a commitment, because the Hierophant card is there as a last card, outcome card. So definitely this person want to come towards you, but it might take some time, because the Pentacle cards is a kind of a very slow moving. Even Taurus is also very slow moving. The Hierophant means Taurus. Okay, you have to wait. I don't say that you should move on, because there is lot of passion here. This person want to come towards you, but they are stuck with the third party. So it will take some time to get rid of all those things, and they will come towards you. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Don't forget to bell symbol to know more details about my future readings and videos. Okay, until the next reading, bye.